Hey guys, today we're playing Claw Ball. It's like a soccer game with cats, and I really enjoy this game. Enough yapping, let's just play. Wait, thumbnail. Okay.
Hey guys, can you
This is
mute
the
these
lobby.
guys? They're really annoying.
No. Where's the ball?
Black
How did you get a Halloween mask?
They're talking.
How did you get a
Good.
pumpkin on your head?
Sebastian called us the N-word hard
Or
R.
Sebastian said the N-word.
My pumpkin on my
Yeah,
head?
Sebastian said the N-word.
Yeah, how do you get a pumpkin on your head?
Eating.
Just has a pumpkin on their head.
Rocket League.
How do you get a pumpkin on your head? Hold Y.
Again?
Put that on.
I don't know. I just I don't know.
Is it free or do you have to buy it?
Yeah, you have to. No, you have to. No, it's free. It's free, but it was on the other pass. It was on the Halloween pack. That's why.
Oh, I got this game at Christmas.
I got this game. Nice, bro. Good fun.
Alright.
I love
Who's her
being,
goalkeeper?
I love being family fun.
W.
It's not family fun.
Goal by the booger.
Alright, the burger. Alright, nice. I'm gonna play serious now.
Nice.
Yes! I told you I'm going serious mode. Oh!
I got that? No? Okay.
Yo, good job, Sebastian.
Yo, family fun, can you go be the goalkeeper?
Oh shit, why the hell did you hit it that way?
Yeah, there you go.
Frick, they scored!
Let's go!
Oh, damn! That was actually so close. Heck. Yes! 3D trick shot!
Not
But
on
he
my one.
misses! Because of the other kid. He messes it up. And he misses again. But then this time they score.
Let's go, family
Oh,
fun.
shit. Family fun is not good.
Yes, he is. He literally
What are
made
you
a
talking
point,
about?
and so did I. And actually, he made 2 points.
And how much did I make? I made 2 points too.
Okay.
What
I
makes that the
didn't-
deal that this kid is really good. And at the same time, I'm really good.
I never said you were bad, though. I just said my teammate was really good.
Sort
I
of.
Alright, bro, you're just trying to get involved so bad. You're just trying
How
to
am I
attention.
getting involved?
Bro, you're trying to attention seek, bro.
Oh my
Does your
god,
mama not
how
give you
did I
enough
miss that?
attention?
How did I actually miss that? Oh my god, I'm so bad. Oh my god, these kids. How did they miss? The goal was literally open.
Because I'm trying to block you guys from hitting it away.
Yeah, of course. Yup, of course. That's the problem.
You're just mad, buddy.
Please. Please. Oh my god! I can't move! Oh my, I'm going to crash out. Oh my god. Oh no! Yes! Yes!
Oh.
How did I get it?
Yo,
How did I miss that? Oh my, how?
go.
I don't even
Who's the
care
one?
about winning.
I'll take it.
Oh, they
I
win.
didn't get won. I don't even care about winning. I'm just having fun.
You still won, I'll take it.
I don't even care about winning. I just care about having fun. And at least the game
Me
is all
too,
about having fun. The game is all about
Yeah,
having fun.
it's about of having fun.
Yeah, skibidi sigmas.
Alright, buddy, get out.
Yeah, get out.
I'm trying to see
Nah, I
if I
don't
can
feel like-
hit it. Oh, I was trying to hit the tomato. Wait, you have claws?
Nonsense. How can we jump high?
Oh my god.
But my hand.
That
goes-
went over your hairline. Oh my god.
Bicycle! Oh,
But you're not. You're not.
You're not
Huh?
cooking with the bicycles.
bro, yes I am. I'm cooking with the bicycle.
Alright, cook some cook steak.
Alright,
We're
bet,
cooking
bet.
with the bicycle.
No, I'll cook beef. Beef is my type. I'm kidding.
Chicken nuggets is my type.
Chicken nuggets?
I want some
That's a
chicken
W, though.
tenders.
Hold Y.
Yes, hold Y, hold Y. Whatever this guy
Yo, someone launched it all the way up there.
said. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Oh no, not thank you. I don't know.
I got family
Oh,
fun on my
goodness,
team
I'm
again.
good with the
Oh,
bad
it's a
team.
3. Oh, I
Oh
thought
my
it was
God.
a 3v2.
Oh my god. Obviously, I'm going to lose. I have a bad team.
Wait, who said they had a bad team?
Me, purple team.
Oh,
The guy with the red suit.
hi. What up?
Come on, guys. Mm. Keep trying to wrap it up. Let me see. No! Give me a match, please. I just need one match.
Yeah, just one more.
Like, no, stop. Look, I'm in 2 minutes.
Where'd it go? Wait, I'm cooking with the bicycles? Oh, I could have
Oh,
done
no.
that.
No, you couldn't.
Let's go!
How?
Oh, yes, I'm goalkeeper, my favorite thing.
Wait, wanna switch? Wanna switch?
I'm pretty good at goalkeeper, are you sure?
I mean, if you want.
You guys blocked my attack.
I'll protect this pufferfish with my life.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, I'm not goalkeeper anymore?
Please. I'm on with the bad team.
Yep.
No, what are you doing? What are you
Own goal
actually
is
doing?
kind of insane.
Please, someone help us. This kid is doing trash.
Alright, guys. Bye-bye.
They're gonna get us.